Hi, my name is Mitch with lunchbreakers.com, and I'm going to show you how to search for a restaurant in Chicago, Illinois. We're going to start off by entering a zip code. The zip code that we're going to use is 60636, and that's a zip code in Chicago, Illinois. There's two required fields. One is zip code, the other is a state. So we're going to go ahead and enter in Illinois as our state. The other fields, city, name, and categories here, are all optional. So we're not going to select one of those at this time. We'll click on search restaurants, and that's going to bring up a maximum of 10 pages and 100 restaurant results, and they will be listed by distance. So as you can see here, all the distances on this page are 0 miles. This means that the restaurants are located within that zip code. However, if we were to, let's say, select page 9, you would see that the distance would be greater. Here it's 2.03 miles, meaning that that's the distance of that restaurant from the zip code that you entered. Now, if you find a restaurant that you like to select, let's say Best Sub as our example, if you select the restaurant, in addition to the address and the telephone number and the distance of the restaurant from your zip code, you also get a Google map, which is fully functional, which allows you to move it around. It allows you to also select whether or not you like a satellite view, which is a real world view of the restaurant, and also a hybrid view, which is a combination of the two. You can print the results if you'd like as well. We'll go back. If you'd like to review the restaurant or read other reviews about the restaurant, you'd simply click on Read and Write Reviews. When you do that, it brings you to the lunchbreakers.com restaurant review section. If you'd like to share your reviews with some of your peers, you can click on the share button here, which will bring up the different programs that we allow you to share your reviews through. Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, Fark, Google are all programs that you can use to send the reviews to some of your peers. If you'd like to submit a review, you simply click on Submit. You can give a restaurant a maximum of 5 stars. 5 is the best review that you can give a restaurant, going down to 4.5, 4, 3.5, so on and so forth. Here's where you enter a title for the review. That's where you actually enter the review. You put in your name and where you're located, and you hit here to submit. This says preview your review. By selecting that, it'll submit your review to Lunchbreakers. We're going to go ahead and click back. And that's pretty much it. That's how you search for a restaurant and read and write reviews for restaurants in Chicago, Illinois. Lunchbreakers.com. Let's do lunch.